Okay. That was weird. Hey everybody, it's Jazz, and I'm super excited to be here sharing this awesome recipe with you that I make all the time. I've been making it for months, and it is a nacho cheese sauce. But this isn't any nacho cheese sauce. This is a completely guilt-free, plant-based, amazing version that you can have in your fridge all the time, because the amount that we're making, which honestly isn't even that much, comes out to 1 liter. So if you were to double this ingredients or triple it, you could have stuff just throw it in the freezer, have it on lock all the time, which I can guarantee you will want to, because this stuff is good. Super affordable to make. Like I said, this is plant-based, so it is actually made out of vegetables. And I know you might question me there and be like,
Jasmine, how does something that's made of vegetables taste like nacho cheese sauce?
well, let me show you. I've brought in this recipe to so many people who aren't even vegan or vegetarian, and I didn't tell them, and they were blown away when they ate it and were like, oh my god. And then I told them and they were like,
Oh my god.
because I mean, let's get real. How hard is it to find a good alternative to stuff like this? The plant-based companies that are out right now are doing a good job, but when it comes to something like this, it's also extremely expensive in the store. At my local store, a little package of this stuff goes for about $9, and this only costs a couple bucks to make. If you want to see how that happens, then let's get into the kitchen. All right, my friends, these are the goods that you're gonna need.
I'm rolling. Hey everybody, look at my pierogi spiral.
So we have got our...
Start over.
Okay, cheers.
Shit.
Back at it again. Ooh, with the nacho cheese sauce.
Tastes like cheese if you ask me.
Uh-oh. Ah! Okay, hold on, intermission. Okay, we're good.
Once you go too much, you can't come back, so
after cutting up and peeling our potatoes, carrots, and onions, is this lighting okay, or is it really glary on my face? Hello everybody, and welcome. Let's try that again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you try making this recipe out, because it is seriously one of my favorites, and it is super awesome to have around all the time. Can't say no to guilt-free comfort food. If you did make it, leave me a comment down below and let me know how it went, and I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! That didn't work well. Okay, bye!